Amazee Labs is a global web agency. We're a team of about 60 people, and we basically serve clients from web development to creation, design, web consulting, hosting, maintenance, and we accompany them throughout their entire journey in the digital world. So we are the experts that are there with the client. We bring in our tech knowledge, our marketing knowledge, our creation knowledge, and support them in their growth. And we're also a company that has very long-standing client relationships. So it's not just a project and then we're going to stop interacting. No, with us, clients stay very long. So usually they come in with a larger project, do the maintenance with us as well. And over the years, we grow together with the client. So we know their needs, we know their target group, which is a very essential thing to do. So we can customize any solution that they need, that their clients need as well. But then also maintain that, continuously make it better, and just give them the competitive advantage that they need to stay ahead of the pack within their own industry.